everyone traveling this summer, you may run into the problem of your flight being delayed or canceled. Here to give you all the tips on what you need to know so you can be well prepared this summer, we bring in our friend Coralie Chun Matayoshi, host of the What's the Law podcast. Coralie, how are you?
Great. How are you, Mikey?
I'm good. I'm also going to start off by saying we are twinning. I love it. Okay.
We coordinated this.
We did. No, we didn't. But okay, let's talk about flights. When an airline cancels your flight, what are our rights as viewers?
So according to the United States Department of Transportation, if your flight is canceled, significantly changed, or delayed for any reason, you are entitled for a full refund, including baggage fees and extra seat costs, if you decide not to travel. And this is true even if your ticket is non-refundable. Airlines might offer a credit voucher. You don't have to accept that. But if you do, be sure to check the expiration or blackout dates. U.S. airlines are not required to offer any compensation for delays outside of their control, like severe weather or air traffic control issues. And if your flight is delayed or canceled due to circumstances within the airline's control, like maintenance or crew issues, each airline has its own policy on additional benefits like meals or hotel vouchers or transportation.
Good to know. I was telling Coralie before we started filming you guys that my flight was delayed coming back home to Hawaii. We were on the tarmac for 2 hours, and then we waited an additional 8 hours in the airport. But like Coralie said, they did give us some compensation for our time, so that was actually kind of nice. Now, sometimes flights are overbooked. What should you do to avoid getting bumped?
When a flight is overbooked, the airlines will ask for volunteers to give up their seats in exchange for free travel or even cash. If nobody volunteers, the airlines is required to have a fair process to determine who gets bumped. It could be based on ticket price, frequent flyer status, or whether you checked in on time, so don't be late. Once you board the plane, though, you can't get bumped except for safety, security, or health reasons, or if you have disruptive behavior. So you have to be on your best behavior, Mikey.
There you go. That is a mental note for me. Now, what if your plane is ready to go, but gets stuck on the tarmac like mine's? How long can the airline require you to stay on board the plane?
At U.S. airports, airlines must allow passengers to deplane after 3 hours for domestic flights and 4 hours for international travel. And they have to give you water and snacks after 2 hours. I think they did that for you. But be careful, if you choose to get off the airline, it is not required to let you back on.
Ah, there you go. They have those little loopholes that you got to be careful for. Now, obviously, here in Hawaii, Coralie, we travel in herds. You know, we go on family vacations. Any tips for families traveling together?
So airlines don't have to let families sit together. Each airline has its own policies. So book your flight as early as possible on the same reservation and choose seats at the same time. Sign up for notifications and arrive early for your flight.
Okay, and travel insurance. What's your thoughts on travel insurance?
Travel insurance is for unexpected, like if you can't have to cancel your travel plans or get sick or injured during your trip. If your flight is delayed, insurance could pay for hotel or meals or incidentals that the airline might not cover. And if all of your reservations can be canceled without penalty, then you might not need insurance, but you still could consider purchasing a standalone medical insurance policy in case of a medical emergency, especially if you're traveling to a foreign country where Medicare or other health insurance policies might not be accepted. But before purchasing travel insurance, check to see if you already have coverage through your existing credit card company, health insurance, homeowners, or auto insurance policies. And even though they're always written in really fine print, find out what's covered and what's excluded.
Okay, good to know. A lot of information to take in, you guys. Now, as far as podcasts, what can our viewers look forward to with upcoming podcasts?
So find out how to make a complaint against an unlicensed contractor, the impact of the United States Supreme Court decision on affirmative action, and even how to become a lawyer.
Perfect. All right, you guys, there you have it. It's What's the Law with our friend Coralie Chun Matayoshi. We'll have more information on KHON2.com. Coralie, great seeing you, and thank you for all of those good tips.
Thanks, Mikey. See you later.
See you later. All right, everybody, stay with Living It Away because we'll have more fun when we return.